The first time we are hearing from the boyfriend of a woman who died last month following an incident between the two of them, as his legal team is speaking out after his case was dismissed by the Pima County Attorney's Office yesterday.
For weeks now, 25-year-old Angelito Olivas has remained silent while out on bail after he was facing domestic violence charges in the death of 22-year-old Zariah Moreno. News 4 Tucson's Jafet Serrato is live downtown, where a News 4 news conference was held earlier today by Olivas' lawyers. Jafet, what did his legal team have to say?
Sean and Monica, Olivas' lawyer tells me his client has maintained his innocence throughout all of this, despite having been found guilty by public opinion. His lawyer thinks that the Pima County Attorney's Office made the right decision to dismiss the charges against his client. This is the couple in question, 25-year-old Angelito Olivas and 22-year-old Zariah Moreno. According to the Pima County Sheriff's Department, they got into a fight in the early morning hours of August 12th. In court documents obtained by News 4 Tucson, Olivas told deputies that Moreno had jumped in his car while he was trying to leave following that fight, and that's when she fell off the car and became injured. It happened on Alden Road, which is southwest of Tucson. Olivas claims he then picked up Moreno and took her to the Drexel Heights Fire Station for help. His attorney, Chris Shalepi, said today that he believes the interim complaint is missing some information. He did not elaborate on what information was missing. Olivas was arrested and released the same day on a $2,500 bond. Although Olivas is not charged with felony domestic violence anymore, the lawyer thinks that they're ready for anything that might come from the county attorney.
I welcome further investigation into this case, as I believe it will show that what happened that morning, while undoubtedly tragic, was not criminal. If, at the conclusion of their investigation, the County Attorney's Office decides to pursue new charges against Mr. Olivas or different charges against Mr. Olivas, I would ask that the community withhold their judgment on Mr. Olivas' guilt until all of the evidence has been presented against him and he has had his day in court.
The lawyer told me Olivas is still mourning the loss of Zariah Moreno, a woman he claims he loved for many years. And I reached out to the family of Zariah Moreno to comment about this today, and they just sent me a statement a few minutes ago. Let me read it to you live straight off my phone. The family remains confident that justice for Zariah will prevail. It appears obvious after today's press conference with Angelito's defense attorney that they are anticipating a long and difficult road ahead, despite their clever attempt at maneuvering away from the facts. We would like to thank the entire community for the continued support and not being deterred by what is clearly a heinous crime against our daughter. Live downtown, Jafet Serrato, News 4 Tucson.
Thank you for that, Jafet. And to watch the entire press conference, just head to our website at KVOA.com. We continue to follow the latest on that.